Hello everyone! Today we're making a healthier version of Arroz con Pollo, a one-pan dish that's full of flavor, fiber, and a whole lot of heart. Easy, healthy meals help you feel better daily and help manage chronic health conditions like diabetes. Balanced meals like the chicken and rice we're making today are great for your overall health. In fact, studies show that healthy eating alone can lower A1C levels by up to 2%. That's huge for people managing diabetes. Our recipe today uses some extra but affordable basics like onions, garlic, and oil that aren't in the kit. These ingredients are completely optional but make a huge difference in flavor. Just use whatever makes sense for your household. First, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil to our pan over medium heat. Canola, vegetable oil, or olive oil are all perfect here, but if you don't have those on hand, any oil will do. Now let's chop those onions. We're going for quick cooking here, so we're dicing them into small, even pieces just like this. Even cuts means even cooking. We're going to be using both red and white onions in this recipe for color and flavor, but you can use whatever onions you have on hand. Next up, let's cut the garlic. You can go for nice thin slices here or just chop it up however you see fit. We're big garlic lovers over here, so we're doing slices. We're going to be adding the red onions to the pan first. Let's give it a stir so we can coat all those pieces in cooking oil. Now let's give it a couple minutes to soften up. All right, now let's throw in the white onions. We're gonna cook both, stirring occasionally until both are starting to just soften and brown. About 4 to 5 more minutes here. They should look a little bit translucent, just like this. Once you've got your garlic all cut up, let's add it to the pan with the rest of the onions. Just stir it around. We're looking for golden and fragrant, about 30 seconds to a minute. Pour in the canned tomato now. This is the tomato sauce that we provided with your kit. We're gonna let this simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes to build up that flavor. This is gonna be the base that ties everything together. Now for the veggies. We're using canned mixed vegetables, green beans, and corn that came included in your kit. We love canned vegetables because they're a quick and easy way to add extra nutrients, fiber, and color to your meals. Make sure that you drain your veggies extra well after you open the cans. Then add them in. Let it all cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Time to add the chicken stock or the water if you're using that. Pour in the liquid, then we're going to stir in the brown rice. Brown rice has more fiber than white rice, which helps keep blood sugar steady. It's another reason why we love it. Let's bring everything to a boil. All right, we're starting to boil. Let's go ahead and reduce the heat to low, and now we're going to cover it up. We're going to let this simmer for about 40 minutes or so, or until the rice is tender. Try not to lift the lid too much because the steam is going to do all the heavy lifting here. All right, our rice is ready. Now let's fluff it up with a fork just like this. This helps to keep the rice from sticking to itself and gives it a better texture. Next, we're going to gently mix in our shredded chicken. This will help to heat it through just enough to warm it up and bring everything together. All right, let's turn off the heat now. The dish is done. If you've got some fresh cilantro or lime at home, now's the time to garnish. This is totally optional, but it adds a nice fresh touch and some acidity to balance out the dish. Look at that. And that's it. A healthy arroz con pollo dish made with real ingredients balanced for people managing diabetes and other health concerns. And honestly, this is just a great meal all around. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for cooking with us.